Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to turn off Instagram sleep mode. It's pretty easy to do, so let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once you're there, make sure that you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right icon and then head over to the three lines on the top right. And once you are there, just head over to this notifications and notifications section in how you use Instagram section. So in here, you will find the option of sleep mode, automatically mute notifications at night or whenever you need to focus, go to sleep mode. And here you can just turn off your sleep mode by tapping this key or you can say uh, button. So I'm just turning it off like this, and it is currently the sleep mode on your Instagram application is turned off. So yeah, this is how you can just turn off your Instagram sleep mode. Hope this video helps, and we'll see you in the next video.